Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm here at New Hogan Lake. It's in a small town up in the foothills, Valley Springs. Some of you may know that. You might ask why I'm here today. Today I'm here, I'm not going to be fishing today, but some of you have asked if I can show some aerial footage using my drone, my DJI Spark. I've had it for about 4 months now. Here it is. It's pretty small, as you can see. It's a great drone. So we're going to be taking that for a couple flights today, actually, over the water. Now, before we do that, I want to show you guys the propellers. I'm going to be switching them out today. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. As you can see on the drone, it does have some scrapes and a couple nicks on the propellers. So before you fly, you always want to make sure that the propellers are always in a good position. They're not cracked or anything like that. And so I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's take a look. So as you can see, here's the drone, the propellers. Each of the propellers, they have a position for the locking mechanism, which way they lock and unlock. And so as you can see here, this one right here has a white circle on top, and diagonal across from it has another white circle. So those are just indicating those propellers need to go on those motors. It's very important that you, when you replace them, that they match up. And then you can see on the other side, the two here, there's no white circle. So just make sure those propellers go back on those ones. So let's go ahead and do that for each one here. We're going to take off the propellers. And like I said, they are marked. The ones with the white lines will go with the white circle propellers. Let's just get these all off real quick. We're just going to switch them all out. Alright, so here are the new ones. These cost, they're 22 bucks for a set of 4. So you'll get 4 of them for 22 bucks. DJI, they recommend switching these out every 200 flights, or if there's any damage to the propeller, switch them out immediately. So as you can see here, these are the new ones. And here's some of the old ones. These are definitely need to be replaced. They're all scraped up. So let's put these back on. So we've got this one with the white circle and the white lines on the tip of the propeller. So this is going to go on the propeller that's marked with the white lines because it has a white circle. So we're just going to slide it back on the motor shaft and twist it in the locking position clockwise. We'll do that for the next one here. White circle on this propeller, so it's marked. It needs to go to the motor that's got the white lines. And go clockwise. And the next one here, this one doesn't have the white circle on the propeller. So just, there's 2 left. These ones don't have any lines marked on the motors. So these are going to go counterclockwise when we lock them. So just stick it on the shaft, the motor shaft, and go counterclockwise, and it just locks in like so. And the last one here, just going to slide it back down and on counterclockwise. And that's it. Pretty simple. Like I said, DJI, they recommend changing out the propellers every 200 flights, or if they have damage, replace them immediately. Alright, so that's it for that. Let's go ahead and let's get this set up and let's get it connected, and we'll take a flight over the lake here.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, here we go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, everyone, I want to thank you for watching the video. Leave some comments. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you want to hear next.